Designing a small living room can be challenging, but with the right ideas, even compact spaces can feel spacious, stylish, and functional. In 2026, interior trends focus on smart layouts, clever storage, and aesthetic details that maximize every inch of your home. Today, we'll explore 12 game-changing small living room ideas that will transform your space into a modern, cozy, and elegant living area. Open layouts and minimal furniture. Keeping your living room open with minimal furniture instantly makes the space feel larger. In 2026, choosing essential, multi-purpose pieces allows for smooth movement while creating a clean, airy vibe. Avoid bulky sofas and oversized tables to maintain flow and functionality. Multifunctional furniture. Multifunctional furniture is a must for small spaces. Think sofas with hidden storage, foldable tables, or ottomans that double as seating and storage. In 2026, these smart designs keep your living room organized while maximizing usable space. Light colors and neutral palettes. Light-colored walls, furniture, and decor make small living rooms feel brighter and more spacious. 2026 trends favor neutral tones, pastels, and soft textures, which create a calm and modern aesthetic. Accents and muted metallics where soft contrasts add depth without crowding the space. Mirrors and reflective surfaces. Mirrors are a powerful tool for small spaces. Strategically placed mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of a larger room. In 2026, reflective furniture, glass tables, and mirrored panels are trending for modern and elegant living rooms. Vertical storage solutions. Maximize your walls with tall shelves, wall-mounted cabinets, or floating storage units. Vertical storage frees up floor space, keeping your living room organized without feeling cramped. In 2026, wall storage is sleek, modern, and often integrated into the room's design. Smart lighting layers. Lighting can transform the perception of space. Combine ambient ceiling lights, wall sconces, and accent lamps to create depth and highlight features. In 2026, layered lighting adds warmth, elegance, and a luxury feel even in compact living rooms. Modular seating arrangements. Flexible seating arrangements allow you to adapt the space for different occasions. Modular sofas, corner seating, and compact chairs make small living rooms feel versatile, inviting, and stylish. Minimalist decor and accessories. Overcrowding a small space with decor makes it feel cluttered. In 2026, minimalist accessories, subtle artwork, and curated decor pieces enhance style without overwhelming the room. Focus on quality over quantity to maintain elegance. Integrated entertainment units. Wall-mounted TVs, floating media units, or built-in shelves save space and keep the living room tidy and functional. Modern 2026 designs integrate technology and storage seamlessly, enhancing both style and practicality. Rugs to define spaces. Rugs are not just decorative. They help define areas in a small living room. In 2026, rugs with subtle patterns, textures, or neutral colors create cohesion and make compact spaces feel organized and cozy. Greenery and natural elements. Adding plants or vertical gardens brings life to a small living room. In 2026, small potted plants, hanging planters, or indoor green walls provide freshness, color, and a sense of tranquility without taking up too much space. Sliding doors or transparent partitions. Sliding doors or glass partitions are trending in 2026 for small homes. They separate areas without reducing natural light or visual space, making the room feel more open and connected. This clever design keeps compact spaces functional and modern. With these 12 game-changing ideas, your small living room can feel spacious, stylish, and luxurious. From multifunctional furniture and vertical storage to modern lighting and minimalist decor, 2026 trends make even the coziest spaces shine. For premium small living room designs, smart interior solutions, and modern home decor for 2026, visit rugdubai.ae, your trusted source for luxury interiors and contemporary living spaces. Transform your home with Rug Dubai and make every corner stylish, functional, and elegant.